developers. I'm Christopher, and today I'm going to take you through setting up your X server so that you can send mail from the X server. Whether you are using Wamp or you're using Xamp or Xamp, any of, if you're using one of that, then we're ready to go. But the first thing we have to do before is you need to download a sendmails.zip from this link. This link, when you just put it on your browser, it will take you through directly downloading the sendmail.zip. Okay, once I've done that, then the next step I'm going to take you through recommendation step. You're going to create a folder in Wamp, for example, and you name it sendmail. Then the first stage, you're going to extract it 4 files. The first one is ssleay32.dr, sendmail.in, sendmail.ex, and bay32.dll. And on the 4th stage, we are going to configure sendmail.in, and on the 5th stage, we are going to configure php.ini, and 6th stage, we are going to enable IMAP in the email settings, and finally we are going to write a piece of code that will send the mail from your server, so that you can appreciate that we are actually sending the mail from your server. Same stage, you have to create a folder for Xamp. You're using Xamp. So see, I'm using Wamp actually, so I'm going to open my Wamp, create a new folder. I'll just name it sendmail. Now, I already downloaded the sendmail.zip from the link I've showed you. So I'm just to copy that, I'm going to copy it in that folder, sendmail. Then after that, in stage number 3, we have to extract the 4 files I told you. So let's open. Actually, we need to extract these files. So I'll just let me go back and just extract all. Come on, extract all. So I just need only this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I can take this, I can take them out. Okay, so I've just left only with the needed ones: this file, this .ex file, .ini file, and .dll file. So now let's configure sendmail.ini. So the first thing, we need to take out this. Right there, we just have put smtp.gmail.com. Right, then let us take out 25 and put 465. Right, this, and then remove photo and put SSL. Okay, and here should be the same as it is, or same as here, and here you need to put your email. As for me, I'm going to put my email is giverquest@gmail.com. Alright, so here you need to put your real password of that email. Actually, I'm just putting this number, but that's not my password because for security reasons. Yeah. Then here on logpost, you just need to put logpost, then save. The PHP to the IN file. Now, if you're using WAMP like myself, click on WAMP icon, go to PHP, then PHP IN file. Then here you need to look for mail function. Alright, mail function, I think here mail function. So here mail function, actually I've already done on here. For SMT port there is also some kind of 20 if not 25. Then you need to put 465 as we configure on sendmail.ini. And the most important part is this part, sendmail.path. You need to take this very carefully because that's the only very important part. And this part you need to enter the location of sendmail.ex. Alright, so our sendmail.ex was in C, was in actually was in C. Was in C. Okay, was in C, WAMP, and what? Sendmail. And we have sendmail.ex. Okay, so I think we have two sendmails. So we need to put another sendmail here. Sendmail. Right, but you need to check your location. This is my location, but you have to check your location because it may be different. If you miss here, then it won't work. Actually, this location must be seen with care. Right? Don't forget to put this -T and -I. After that, here you can put your email as well when you send the mail from. Actually, it's commented. Even if you can't put anything, that's okay. But I can suggest that just put it. Then after that, you need just to put what? Save. Right? Save. And then you can close. Now the next thing is to go into your Gmail account so that you can change some settings. So first you have to click here so that you can be directed to the settings. After that, the next thing is you need to change here. You have to, okay, actually I have already changed mine because I always use, so in your email it will be disabled, so you just have to click here so that you can enable it, right? You need to enable email. Once you have done that, then you come here and click save here. You need to save the changes so that the changes you have made should be saved, right? Yeah, now after everything I've done, let us write a simple code to send an email. Alright, so I've initialized these variables to, I'm sending the message to rivercrest@gmail.com. That's my email. It's right, I'm sending to myself. The subject, I've just write my first email, and the body, I'll just write this is my first email to send from Xamp. Header from rivercrest.com. Okay, so if the email has been sent, okay, actually this here I'm sending it email to subject, body, and the header. Now if the email has been sent, alright, then I'm just echoing out the message that is sent. Else, if the message has not been sent, then it should just echo connection failure, alright? And I've saved it as email.php. So let me go to my browser. As you can see in my browser here, these are my messages, my emails. So let's just wait to see if the email will be sent or not. Come on. Notification that the message has been sent. So let me go to the email. Okay. Then let me just refresh. Now this is the email. Okay. As you can see, it is writing me because it's right I've sent to myself. So that's why it is me. My first email as our subject, I said my first email, and in the body we said this is my first email to send from Xamp. So as you can see, this is my first email to send from Xamp. Okay. So that's it. I'll show you at different times, but my computer is having some problems. Yeah, as you can see, this is my first email to send from Xamp. Okay, to me, actually it's to me. My first email as the subject. Yeah, this is our header. Okay. Yeah, that's it. How we do to make or to configure our servers so that we can send emails. If you have questions, then just type a comment below, then I will respond it immediately. Alright, thanks for watching this video.